I am in my bathroom. We are going to talk about some things that you do every day, usually maybe in the morning or in the evening. We have this. This is called a toothbrush. You have teeth, 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 3 teeth, 20 teeth. So tooth is one, more than one teeth. But this brush is called a toothbrush. Toothbrush. What do you put on the toothbrush? You put toothpaste. Toothpaste. You put toothpaste on the toothbrush, or you apply the toothpaste to the toothbrush. The toothpaste is in a tube. This is called a tube. So you squeeze the tube, squeeze the tube to apply the toothpaste to the toothbrush, and then you brush your teeth. Flosser pick. If you don't have this plastic thing, you just have this. This is called floss, dental floss. So you floss your teeth with dental floss. If you don't want to smell bad, this is called deodorant. Deodorant. This one is called roll-on deodorant. This one is called spray or spray-on deodorant. It's roll because it roll. Spray because spray. We also have this. This is face wash. Anything that you use to wash your face, you can call a face wash. Wash my face with the face wash. I have these things. These are both called razors. This is just a regular safety razor. This is called a safety razor. If you can do this, take out this, change the blade. This is called a safety razor. This is called an electric razor or electric shaver. This is called aftershave. You splash the aftershave on your face after you shave. That's why it's called aftershave. There's also cologne. Cologne is not for shaving. Cologne is just to make you smell good. For women wear perfume. Men wear cologne. Also pronunciation. Perfume. Perfume. Not perfume, but perfume. So aftershave is what you put on after you shave for your skin. Cologne is what you put on to smell good. But British people call cologne aftershave. And that really confuses me. Because if they're both called aftershave, how do you know which one to put on after you shave and which one to put on just to smell good? I don't understand. This is called toner. You can apply the toner to a cotton pad. This is a cotton pad. You apply the toner to the cotton pad and then you dab it on your face. Cotton pad, toner. Quick recap, face wash. Use it to wash your face. Deodorant. Spray it or roll it on your armpit so that you don't smell bad. Electric razor, electric shaver. Safety razor. Aftershave. Flosser, dental floss. Toothpaste. Toothbrush, brush your teeth. So hopefully you learned some new vocabulary for things that you can do in your bathroom.